The next few videos we're going to work through relate to an acronym, and that acronym is CRUD, and that refers to create, read, update, and delete. And that's in terms of performing those actions on a backend database, such as this web application utilizes. So this is an example page that I've created, which we'll work through creating shortly. Now, the reason for this page is typically so that staff can edit the database without having to actually have any experience using MySQL, for example, because they're not going to be trained in it. The staff working in this shop and in many shops who are going to be using this web application don't have the technical knowledge and skills required to interact with the database directly, which is why we're creating a user interface for them to do that. So what this page does is it allows me to create products, for example, which appear then in our table below, which is output from the products table in the database. So for example, I can create a new product there and save it. Scroll down, you can see there TAMTIMs have been added as a new record. We can read from the database, which is what appears here in this products table. So that's reading from what's in the database, and I'll just make sure that product in fact was added eventually. We'll go to the end and you should see there that product was actually inserted into the database. So create really refers to insert into. As I said, we can read from the database. We can edit or update products in the database. So let's edit the quantity of this first product to 45, hit update, and you can see there it's gone back to 45. We can also delete products from our products table, and you can see there I've deleted TAMTIMs. So the first sort of letter in that acronym we're going to start with is reading, because it's probably the easiest, and then we'll move to creating by using this form here. See you in the next video.